The first moment Silvia stepped across the threshold, she didn't just see her apartment, she felt Japan. It wasn't a mere replica, a flat imitation of an ryokan or a Tokyo storefront, but a deep, resonant echo of her most cherished memories. This was the genius of Ana Terra Capobianco's design, an architecture built not with concrete and steel alone, but with the subtle, enduring material of emotional memory. The concept, which Ana held at the core of her practice, wasn't about style, it was about sensation, about transforming a functional São Paulo flat into Silvia's personal, serene Japanese dwelling. The initial consultation had been less a discussion of floor plans and material samples and more an intimate sharing of sensory fragments. Silvia hadn't shown Ana pictures of famous temples. Instead, she had described the feeling of soft, aged washi paper under her fingertips, the faint, clean scent of cedarwood and tatami mats, and the diffused, gentle light filtering through traditional screens. She spoke of the weight of a beloved ceramic teacup, the precise geometry of a rock garden that instilled a profound stillness, and the muted palette of indigo and soft grays that coated everything with an air of meditative calm. These weren't details to be copied, they were sensations to be interpreted and woven into the very fabric of the space. Ana took these ethereal references and anchored them in the physical world. The process was a careful, almost alchemical transformation. She understood that a doorknob wasn't just a mechanism for opening a door, it was a tactile point of contact, a miniature sculpture that should feel cool, smooth, and weighty in the hand, recalling a specific moment of stillness. The custom-designed closet door fabric, for instance, was chosen for its slub texture and deep, natural dye, mimicking the homespun feel of aged textiles Silvia had admired in Kyoto. Every choice was a deliberate thread in the tapestry of recollection. The apartment's atmosphere was thus curated serenity. It wasn't loud or demanding, it was subtly evocative. Natural light was a primary medium, managed by screens and sheer fabrics to avoid harshness, casting a soft, perennial glow reminiscent of dawn in a traditional Japanese home. This light interacted with the chosen materials, the pale, unvarnished woods, the textured wall finishes, and the simple, robust ceramics, to foster a continuous state of well-being. It was a space designed to quiet the incessant noise of the bustling city outside, allowing Silvia's mind to settle into the familiar, comforting rhythms of her travel memories. Take the bedroom, for example, a true sanctuary. Instead of a conventional headboard, Ana repurposed an antique Japanese screen, its delicate paper panels and lacquered frame instantly transporting the space. The screen served a dual purpose. It was a stunning visual anchor, and it evoked the gentle division of space and shadow that Silvia treasured. Coupled with the low-slung, minimal furniture, the room breathed with the airy simplicity of a Zen retreat, where sleep became less a necessity and more a meditative practice. Ana often described this particular project as a four-person project, a testament to the profound and collaborative nature of its creation. While many architectural endeavors see the architect projecting their own experiences onto a client who struggles to articulate their desires, the work with Silvia was a true dialogue. Silvia provided the vivid emotional landscape, the what and the why, and Ana provided the architectural language, the how, to give those feelings a habitable form. This continuous, fruitful exchange ensured that the final design was an authentic reflection of Silvia's inner world, not just a beautiful design exercise. For Ana, the Japanese apartment was a powerful proof of concept that architecture's highest purpose is to awaken the senses and evoke a lived experience. It demonstrates that contemporary design is not beholden to cold minimalism or stark futurism but can, and should, embrace the warmth of human history and personal narrative. The familiar scent that Silvia noticed upon returning home each day, a blend of linen, subtle wood, and a specific incense she burned, was not an accident. It was a sensory layer carefully built into the design, a cornerstone of its emotional resonance. The lasting success of the apartment lies in its subtlety. A visitor might simply admire the clean lines and harmonious palette. But for Silvia, every textured surface, every diffused shadow, and the smooth, cool feel of the specially chosen doorknob was a silent, powerful key, unlocking a specific, pleasant memory of a distant journey. It allowed her to relive the pleasant sensations of her travels not as a fleeting thought but as a continuous, ambient reality of her daily life. Ultimately, the Japanese apartment transcends mere interior decoration. It is a profound exploration of dwelling, a built environment that acts as a vessel for the soul. It is a testament to the idea that a home is truly made when an architect manages to harness the elusive yet powerful force of emotional memory, transforming four walls into an extension of a person's identity and their most cherished life moments. It stands as a silent, beautiful argument that the best architecture doesn't just house a life, it honors it.